Chinese Embassy, New Zealand High Commission, and Wehoko Arts and Craft. Our platinum sponsors, Digicel, Liga, Lion Liga, Tonga Cold Store, Friends Cafe, Tonga National Reserve Bank, and Australian High Commission. Malo. Of course, our theme for this year's Heilala Pageant, celebrating our heritage, embracing our future. Ko e kātonga I hotau tūwhaholo, whalute hotau kahau. While the ladies are drawing their numbers, just bear with us. So this is their first appearance. We will know them better as they'll introduce themselves and their background, and also their sponsors, their team, if they may be, where they come from, and their numbers. They will also reveal their numbers while they are having their introduction. And of course, their chosen topic. So they're doing that right now. Yeah. First appearance today, non-judging event. That's amazing. Kapalo ia pek mo tolu ko toa pek mo poupou ki he tau katoanga Heilala he tau ko toa pek hange koe na o si mea kia e minister kia e tau kau poupou ia tau tolu ko lau tauen e tau whiao mo ia o koe kia ha holo mui o hange koe whakahua a tau tolu o pehe koe tau whikai a siri malo e poupou mai. Today, I will not be introducing themselves, their names and their sponsors. They will do that themselves. So let's let them do that later. Oh. So, what? Okay, now they've drawn their numbers, so they are going to sit in their order now. That's number one from the far side. Number one up 15 in by this side. So, okay, now they have drawn their numbers. We'll also fill it up again with their topics. So they're going to do that right now also, before they make their seats. Yep. I think we'll do the same thing that you did with your numbers. Yeah. All right. So you'll be called by your order of your numbers to come and take your pick your topic. Number one, contestant number one. Contestant number two. Oh, they will also reveal their topics. We should have another mic for that. Oh. Is it forest? Yeah. Oh. Okay, contestant number two.
Domestic violence. And then number 3.
Education.
Contestant number 4.
Technology.
Contestant number 5. Preservation of indigenous culture. Contestant number 6. Climate change.
Climate change.
Contestant number 7. Youth unemployment. Contestant number 8. Drug trafficking. Contestant number 9. Oh, a long one. Labor shortage in Pacific countries due to the seasonal employment scheme. And contestant number 10. Tourism. Contestant number 11. Digital safety and cyberbullying amongst youth. Contestant number 12. Cost of living and inflation in the Pacific Islands. Contestant number 13. Health. Contestant number 14. Political conflicts and their effects on fuel supply and the economy. And last but not least, contestant number 15. Mental health. Here's to the 15 beautiful contestants for the pre-pageant interview next week.
Hello. So now we'll move on to the introduction. Please, ladies, can you just make your way to your seats? We call you one by one to come and make your introductions. So I'm just gonna come with a microphone and give it to you for our first contestant, number 1. That's number 1. So you can see it in your order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15. Thank you very much. Please, from number 1 to number 15. You can start arranging for your appearances and for the rest of our events. Thank you very much. Just going to give the microphone to the number 1, and after your introduction, just pass it on to the next one and continue on. Thank you.
Malo lele, ko hoko hingoa o ku Mele, Kafoatu, Vilingia, Maafu. Ko lele mai a kolomotua, no mukaha apai, lapaha, mo pangai motu vava'u. I am here representing Tali Fisi. And I am 27 years old. Malo apito.
Maloelele and warm Pacific greetings to you all. Ko kingoa ko Meleane Pulotufietau Brown. Ko e kulele mai me he toa ko tawa ke whai ana. Halaski o mata aho. Ai tu ua, lolo paongo. Fa'ui hu whangalupe. Mo e hala mau koula. And I'm proudly representing Miss Tikaway Creation, ke he wanoa wano. Ko e kuta ua whaini, malo au pito.
Mahalo everyone, ko hoku hingoa ko Larila, Veronica, Tuiniua, Ngalu, and I'm 20 years old. O ko lele mai me kolomaile o honua eua, tonga lele kaha apai, mangia vava'u, niwa top tapu, haveluloto tonga tapu. O ko whiawhia ke whakawhawhangae a Miss Ministry of Infrastructure 2026. Malo pito.
Maloelele everyone, ko hoko hingoa, Riann Reed. I am 21 years of age. Ko e kulele mai niofo'o ha'ala fuli, tukulalo vava'u pea mo maufanga Ananaa. And my sponsor is my parents' guest house called Fo'ilole Guest House. Malo apito, ofalahi atu.
Maloelele ko ku hingoa ko Petiola, Samanta, Tongiasi, Pola, Tuiniua, Siua, Masila. Ko ntok o sero kua. O ko whiawhia ke whakafofonga e atu ai Miss Eua Tourism. Ko ku tau uango fulmata haini. Ko ia pe. Oh, ko kwa me he whungafonua. Me o hai ko paia he poto. Longo mapu vava'u, vai ko kanakana, ha'apai, pea mo niwa fo'o. O whalahi atu, malo.
Maloelele, ko kuhingoa, ko lawalawa e kakala hingoa, Rachel Heta, tui one toa e sau. Ko ku ta'u wao noeni, pea ko whanau ta mau a whunga whaite, makaonga he lotu, vai Masila, paki mo to'i, fo ui tonga tapu, holonga ta anea ne iafa vau, pea pehe foki he taina moa paia, tungoa hapai. O ko whiawhia lahe ke uwhawhonga i atu, I Miss SNS USA 2026. Maloa pito, tua ofa atu.
Malo, ko hoku hingoa, ko Maria Stella ko inunia kaihea. Ko ta'u o fulma tahaini. Ko lele mai, me maufanga, la paha. Lalovaya, safune, Samoa. Houma te tefa, pea motonga lele ka haapai. Pea ko whiawhia ke uwhawhawhonga i atu, ai fo'i one, Miss Haapai Tourism. Maloa pito.
Maloelele, my name is Deki Faiva Ihakau Tuitawake. And as of yesterday, I am 27 years old. I am a Kolofo'o girl with roots in Kolomotua, Vautu'u, Nukunuku, Leimatua, Longomapu, Felemea, and Uiha. Today, I am here representing Miss Masani Connect, Ministry of Tourism, Kafoatu.
Malolele, ko hoko hingoa, ko ani te vinyana Tali. I'm 25 years old and I'm proudly representing Miss Tonga, Australia. I proudly hail from the villages of Nudoa, Golonga, Ha'ano, Whakakai, and Ha'awakatolo. I'm looking forward to the journey ahead and may God bless you all.
Tapu mo vunivalu o tau kakapa, koe o tua mo Tonga o ku aana ai lotu, o ku tau whakamona tua hono wa I seni tuli. Whakatapu atu heni ki Miss Tonga, Lolo Tonga, Miss Yosi Ana tau mo peau. Ka umaa ki kau whine mui ko toa pe, o ku mau vei pā ki Miss Heilala o tauni. Ko hoku hingoa, ko Kathleen, Monica, Soana, Vaya tangi tau. Ko hoku tau wango fulu mani ma eni. Ko e kulele mai, mi he paki mo e toi, funga whaua, Fisi mo e afi o tungi, sila pelua, volokai le, tainamu o paia me haapai masani, ka umaa ki tala me a fo'o, mo fuupua, ko whanongo tala noa. Ko loto fia, ke whakafofonga I atu, I miss Approxus New Zealand for 2026. Malo Albito tu Alvatu.
Malo la malie a Tonga moho eiki. Ko hoku hingoa ko Silia, Sitoafa, Matelao. Ko kuta ua eni. O ko lele mai me fo ui, pahefa, kolomotua, kolovai, neafu vavau, moniua top tapu. O ko whakafofonga ia Miss Lady Maria. Malo apito, ofalahi atu.
Malo elele Tonga kotoa. Ko hoku hingoa, ko Mele lupe, hongo sia, piu tau tongi. And I am 22 years old, and I am proudly representing Miss Likualofa Beach Resort 2026. Malo Alpito, o Falahiatu.
Malo tau mau ke pongpongi ni ho ek mo tau kai ngā Tonga, ko hingoa ko si taisa punaki, pa ko lele mai, me le matu a wawau, ko hunga, ma vei tongo, ko lo motua, whakakai hapai. Ko e kuta o wani mai ni, pea ko whawhonga ia tai mesi wawau tourism ki he wafe, wa no o whalahet ke te kuta.
Siua vai ula ki ve siwa. I kai kou na koe ki ke loto toa motu kari. Oua teke mana wahe pe oua teke tairiri. He ko si hova ko otua. Tene ia te koe I he mea kotoa pe. Mahalo elelei. My name is Christy. Ofame o kalani makitalena maasima. I'm 19 years old. And I hail from the beautiful village of Ha'ateiho, Silapelua, Tongua, Niwafo'o. Pea vai kopuna, nuapapu, hokoa, tanea vava'u, folaha and lapaha. And I'm so proud to represent Miss Kingdom of Tonga, the friendly island. Malo tua ofa.
Malo elelei. Ko hok hingoa, ko se piuta malamala, ko tau wao noeni. Ko e kulele mai me whanga yesi, pangai hapai, hu whanga lupe vai ni, funga whawa ma o whanga, kola fo'o ye halatui. Mwe halama mau koula to fua. O kouloto fia ki whakawhawhangai a Tonga Tourist Association ki he ta'u ano. Malo au pito o whalahi atu.
Wow, that's amazing. Now we know you, so ko ia ko lava na whawhiloa ki, ko tau te ilo lahi ange. Pe ko fufua taimin ke na whawhiloa ki na tolu ki mamani furipe. Ko mea i peo ko lere he tau ngahi live stream, a roti o tau kainga ko tau pe, me he ope a e tau porokalama ko ia. Ka ko na fufua ha ia i he whiauhi ko ia Miss Heilala o i wanoa wano. Now that we know you a little bit, so at this moment, I would like to invite our reigning Miss Heilala, Miss Sosiana Patricia Lavulo Tamupeau for an inspirational speech. Thank you.
Malolele, everyone. What a blessed day it is to be here with my new beautiful sisters, all 15 contestants for the Miss Heilala 2026-2027. This morning, I was just in prayer over these lovely girls and the calling that they've answered to come and represent our beautiful kingdom, the Kingdom of Tonga, the Friendly Islands. I was thinking about my journey just a year ago and how I was sitting in one of these seats, just as you are. My prayer for you today and for the rest of this week is that you are blessed by this opportunity and this experience. You are vying for the crown and representing a very, very special island nation, but you're also representing more than that. You're representing our people, the villages that you represent, and most importantly, our beloved Father in heaven. This week we're marking such an amazing milestone here in Tonga, 200 years of Christianity. The last few years I've spent time all around the world, and there's so much hurt, and there's so much war and famine, and I just think of our beautiful kingdom and how blessed we are to experience these freedoms and to be able to share so boldly with such love. And each of you represent that today. You'll represent that this week. And I'm so excited to hear your stories. This year I've had the pleasure of sharing mine and the unique part that I've played in Tonga as well as my family. So my message to you, beautiful ladies, is to be bold, be confident, be courageous, and be who God has called you to be. Each of these ladies here represent a unique piece of the beautiful mosaic that we call Tonga. And what I'm asking of all of us here as well today is to admire the beauty and the unique features that they reflect and represent. Each of you are a treasure here, and we are so blessed to have you here with us today and this week. Please do not glean away from the light that you shine. We need you. We need you to represent our kingdom, and whether you have a crown or not, you'll always carry Tonga in your heart. So I'm praying that you enjoy this week, as well as your teams. I know it takes not only one village, but multiple to represent, and I'm just so honored to stand alongside these ladies as we reflect more and more of our kingdom, not only to the Pacific, but to the rest of the world. I just wanted to share the story of 200 years ago, how it took someone to come and share the message of grace to our kingdom. And it took one person bold enough to answer the call and to listen. So this week, as we are going around to our site visits, I'm sure many of you will be following our journey. We are looking to humble ourselves in learning more of Tonga, sharing the pieces of Tonga that we represent, and carrying more of that with us as we'll be standing on stage next week for the 4 nights and representing who we are and who God has called us to be. So I am so thrilled to be with you, and I'll share my key verse that has carried me through my reign, which is to stand up and to be bold for such a time as this. Tonga needs you, Tonga needs us, And it takes everyone playing their part in order to care and love for our kingdom so that we can strive for a stronger and better future, especially for the beautiful women who shape our kingdom. So please step forward today with confidence and humility in what it means to be a Tongan woman. So many people are watching and so many young girls. You're going to inspire many, so please do not shy away. You were created for such a time as this. And please nurture these relationships as well with the girls and with our teams and our families. This was a journey that my family took a year ago, and it has been quite a journey so far, and we are so blessed to be here and to experience, again, what makes Tonga so special and so beautiful. We look forward to sharing more of that with you this week. As I come to a close in my reign, I cannot just share enough of the gratitude that I have for you, Tonga. I am beyond blessed for the opportunity to be here and to stand with all of you. God is doing a mighty work in our kingdom right now. And to be a part of this is something that I'll treasure for the rest of my life. So thank you, ladies, for standing alongside me, because this is something special that God has for us. So continue to be with us on this journey. Pray for us as we want to fulfill so much of what God has laid before us this week. Ofalai atu morotu.
Mahalo apito, the reigning Miss Heilala, Miss Sosiana Patricia Lavolo for that inspirational speech. And I'm sure that each and every one of you, 15 contestants, felt that. Well, you're here, but she already ironed it for you. So just relax and enjoy the rest of the pageant, of course. Whamaloat, Miss Heilala, Miss Sosiana Taumapeau, Ielea, Whamawhana. Koia, no ki whakatau kei e tau kauwhine mui, pa me ente nau fōwai ka koena ko was whainga pāri e ia. So, we'll just continue on. Let me just acknowledge our sponsors once again. Pauna kai tau kau sponsors e kai ki lawa e tau kātoanga ko konga mahu inga e tau kātoanga. Our supreme sponsors, the Government of Tonga and Fiji Airways, thank you very much. Elite sponsors, MBF Bank, Tanoa International, Dateline Hotel, BSB Bank, Chinese Embassy, New Zealand High Commission, and Whehoko Arts and Crafts. So also our supreme sponsors, our platinum sponsors, Digicel Tonga, Lion Liga, Tonga Gold Store, Friends Cafe, Tonga National Reserve Bank, Australian High Commission, and our gold sponsors, Tonga Airports Limited, Chef Zero, Builders Burger, Star Rentals, Sunshine Rentals, the Tonga Chinese Federation, Hot Pizza, and Little Italy. Thank you very much for, we appreciate your support. So right now, we'll just invite Deisa Tupo from the Pageant Committee. Just come and just lay out the rules, the regulation, and brief our program for not only today, but the rest of our pageant. Malo, Deisa.
Malo apito pea ko kore ke hufanga te ngai whatapu ka kato nei o si kamata ke tau. Polo kalama whaafo pompong koe ni ka tāmo oku ke uhoka te konga whikaua o e tau polo kalama ke ahoni aia koe tau official briefing. Whawhiawhia pita e wakaia te ke kau whine mui hoi fua au pito o nau mau ai loto lahi whiunga ke nau veipa ke ka launi o e tau koe ni. Whamalo lahi atu ke kau sponsor mahino peka te au me toenga e komiti ko ka ngau CCE ni. Paneongo o tō kamata oficiale tau polo kalama Heilala i he ahoni ka koe ngau e koe nina e kamata mai me ngai lau wike mahina nai ki mua. Koe tau briefing ke ahoni, it's so very important. It's so important that we have the same level of understandings around our rules and regulations judging criteria and what is expected of you throughout this week and next week. And these are, of course, put in place to maintain the integrity of the event and also ensure the fairness and consistency for each and every one of you. Ko kole atu ka taki, ko tau briefing e aho ni, we will be going through our rules and regulations. If I may ask that you take out your rules and regulations handout from your information bag. Once you have it with you, please turn to page 4. Page 4 of our rules and regulations. This year we have 6 main judging categories. 6 main judging categories for this year. The first one is our pre-pageant interview, talent quest. The third one is our sarong, swimwear, traditional taolunga, island creations, and stage interview. Whātokanga iange ko ngahi category lalahe ne ono, whakahoka ke tau whiauhi e tau ni, ko e tau interview, taleniti, sarong, taolunga, island creations, tamo e tau stage interview. Each of these judging categories have a judging criteria. If you can turn to page 5 of the rules and regulations, Kataki, and we'll go one by one for each judging categories, and we'll start from the pre-pageant interview. Page 5 of your rules and regulations. Pre-pageant interview, the dress code is our Tongan national attire. Mahino peko tau puleta, whakaofa, you have a choice of kia, peko tau taovala, kia tau pre-pageant interview, and that will be your first judging event next Tuesday. Wailewan hai criteria lalahi e nima iai. Criteria lalahi e nima koe uluaki, koe elegance and eloquence. Second one is the presentations and expressions of topic. The third is the quality response to questions. The fourth is the contestant's in-depth knowledge of the topic and intelligence. And the last one is the clarity of speech and emotional control. Each contestant will be given 5 minutes to deliver your speech. There will be 5 judges to judge your pre-pageant interview. You will be given 2 questions by 2 separate judges. You will be given 2 questions from 2 separate judges. Also take note, we have a time limit for our interview, which is only 5 minutes. If the contestants will go over the stipulated time, there will be a 1-point deductions for every 15 seconds. Moving on to our second judging category, which is the taolunga. Taolunga dress code, of course, ko teunga taolunga whakatonga. Ko taolunga o ku miniti moia e nima. Miniti e nima a e tau taolunga. Pea e tatau pe mo e tau interview, o kai pe toko taha e whakahoko e tau hitaimi. Tene hanga pe o taimi ho mo taolunga, kato e ova, i he miniti e nima, there will be points deductions of 1 point for each 15 seconds. Ka taolunga, wai ono ngai u judging criteria e nima. Judging criteria e nima ke tau taolunga, ka uluaki o kia e mata whaiva, mata kakai, pia mo e mawhana. Ko whika ua, ko whola haka, pia mo e teki whaiva. Pia ko choreography. Ko whika tolu, ko poto i whaiva, tau lalo mo e sino, ulu, pia mo e mata. Whika whaalewa koe haka, pe ngai te whito i haka whakatonga. Pea ko whika nima, koe sio whakalufua. The taolunga category judges the contestant's ability to perform the Tongan traditional dance. She is evaluated on her ability to balance the discipline of her body with the grace and artistry of her movements. Whātawanga iange, koe tau hiwa ki he tau taolunga, whia i taolunga e kau a whili misi koe mā i moa. Pau pe koe mā i moa, tupo tolu pe koe tupo ua. Ka paulewa he kai koe mā i moa, ai hiwa koe pe a hono penalties pe koe poini e to'o pea miho o māka. Whātoanga e angu whaalahi pe mo eke ai konga koe ni, that the introductions by the host are not included in the time limit. introductions by the host of your beautiful Te Unga Ta'alunga are not included in your 5 minutes. This year, there will be 2 special awards for our Te Unga Ta'alunga. The first one is our traditional Te Unga Ta'alunga. Traditional Te Unga Ta'alunga, and will be judged upon 3 criteria. The first one is the originality of the Te Unga. The second is the workmanship, attention to detail. And the last one is the well-fitted of the Te Unga on your contestants. Ka whikaua lewa o Te Unga Special Awards ke tauni ko contemporary Te Unga Ta'alunga. Peko tau whakatoka ngai, mo whakailo ngai e ngahi Te Unga Ta'alunga hafo o, whakatonga pe kai hafo o. Aia ko hono ki ke si pe pa mo Te Unga Ta'alunga totonu ko creativity. Creativity of the Te Unga Ta'alunga. Both of these special awards does not contribute to the best Ta'alunga. These are just special awards. The contemporary Te Unga Ta'alunga and the Tongan Te Unga Ta'alunga. Moving on to our third judging category is the contemporary island creation. And of course, your dress code will be your beautiful masterpiece. There will be 5 judging criteria for your island creations. Ko uluaki, ko elegance, poise, and beauty. Second one, suitability of the island creations on your contestants. The third, the judges will be looking at the creativity of the design. And the fourth one is the utilizations of natural resources and materials found in Tonga. And the last one, of course, is the judges' overall impressions from your stage presentation to the beautiful of your costumes, your poise, and your beauty. Island creations must be displayed 2 hours prior to the starting of the event. So, ko tau ngai polo kalamau ka mata fitu, ko le atu, ko ni ma, ko smau, ko toa mai tau ngai Te Unga Island Creations, ke ngai loki e tamai kwewhine. Ka lawa ke o maha taimi whiunga ke kau whakamau, ke nau wakai iofi, ke ngai u Te Unga ko ini ki mua pia ka mata e polo kalama. Whatoa ngā iang e ta tau pe tau Te Unga Ta'alunga, ko tau sarong. Island creation must be in your room 2 hours prior to the event starts, so we can give the judges enough time to have a closer observations of your Te Unga. Moving on to our 4th judging category for this year is our sarong swimwear. Sarong swimwear should utilize approximately 3 meters of bright fabric. Contestants may use less than 3, but they will be penalized for using more. Again, the sarong, the team will be come around with the judges on that day, and they'll do the measurements of your sarong. Peka paulewa e ova I he mita e tolu, they'll cut it. So please make sure that your teams are working with you on your sarong. Ensure there's only 3 meters of your fabric. There are 5 judging criteria ki he tau sarong. The first one is poise, personality, natural beauty, and elegance. The second judging criteria for our sarong is the modesty, cultural standards of the islands. Mahinope is culturally appropriate. Yes, it's sarong wear, but at the same time it needs to be culturally appropriate. The suitability of the sarong in place of swimwear. Ko te unga sarong, maunga peke te lava o te ki kaukau tahi moia. The 4th criteria is the attractiveness of the sarong. And the last one, of course, is the creativity of the tide design. Whatoanga iange that the tide must not held together by puckles of any kind. It must be one piece of fabric. Whatoanga iange he kai ke te ngā akha pākolo pe ko ha pine, pe ngai umea pe he ki hono hai. O mai no hono hai pe hono tai pe ho sarong, ngai aki pe ai pisi e taha. Pisi pe taha ho foi mita e tolu, hei kai ke ha o a tāraia, mo ha fo I pisi e ua ki ene misi. Aga kōle atu, mau inga pe ke tā whakatoa ngai, ai upo ini koe ni. The contestants receiving the highest total score in accordance with the marking system will be awarded the Best Sarong Swimwear Award. Moving on to our 5th judging category for this year is the talent quest. Dress code, appropriate attire for talent costume. Again, 5 judging criteria. Uluaki appropriateness about theme or contemporary talent, originality about the talent and costume together, natural ability as presented in her performance. The 4th one, the judges will be looking at the quality of your presentations, the level of preparedness and professionalism delivering your talent on stage. And the last one is the entertainment factor or appealing to the audience. Please take note, with the talent you are only given 4 minutes. 4 minutes for your talent. Koe tau taimi ke tau ngai judging categories for this year. Koe tau interview, minite nima, ta tau mo tau olunga, koe tau tare ni tipe o ku miniti pe e wha. Miniti pe e wha e tau tare ni ti, yeah? The talent quest is the contestants' opportunity to share something unique about themselves. Without exceeding the time limit, each contestant must show originality, creativity, skill, and professionalism in their performance. Introductions by the host are not included in the time limit. Introductions by the host are not included in the time limit. Again, we will have a timer. If you exceed the stipulated time of 4 minutes, there will be 1 point deductions for every 15 seconds. Our last judging category is our stage interview. Hainga peke whātoka ngā i tau stage interview. O ku tāna ki ai ola ko ia, pa mo ola ko i tau pre-pageant interview, ke toki mawai ai ola whakalukufua ke Best Interview Award. Stage interview, your dress code will be a ball gown. That's Friday of next week, is our crowning and ball night. And your dress code is the ball gown. There will be 5 key criteria that the judges will be looking at. And the first one is the knowledge of subject matter and quality of response. The second is the communication skills, clear and concise. Whikatolu, poise and stage presence. The 4th criteria, the confident. Ai tahine, hono Tali o whehui, pako whaosi lewa ko overall presentation. The stage interview is the final category for contestants to demonstrate their wit, character, depth, and intellectual abilities. Koe kakatoia e tau ngahi o 6 judging categories for this year. Hoko atu ka taki ki he tau pēsi whikahongo fulu. Pēsi whikahongo fulu, ma ke heange me ngai u main judging events koe ni, we will also have special awards. Ai koe ulu aki koe tau Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic, Miss Personality. Ai koe tau talanoa koe ke Miss Photogenic, o whai e tau official photo shoot. He weekendi pe, ka tau talanoa kia Meleane, pe mo ene polo kalama. Whika walewa koe Miss Personality, and the contestants vote on the winner for this award. It is an award that recognizes the young woman who is considered by her sister contestants to be the friendliest throughout all the pageant events. Whatokanga ianga with this category, this is a very special category where the contestants, you will do the voting for the most friendliest contestants throughout the whole pageant event. The Miss Internet, that's another special award. Ai ko hiliangi ai whakakato koe ngahi polo kalama ke official photo shoot. Pia ko ahamoni te lewa e wike ka hau e tuku atu e ngahi uta koe ni e mitia whakasosiale. Pia whakaafe atu ai family mahe ni moe kolo ke nau voti ki ho I misi I he interneti. The 4th special award is Miss Tourism. Miss Tourism, this award is awarded by the pageant committee to the contestants which uluaki prompt to all functions and engagements. This is very important too. Punctual is very important for our pageant committee. The second one is appropriately dressed for all occasions. Appropriately dressed for all occasions. The third one, respectful and considerate of the pageant requirements and staff. All other characteristics that reflect good pastorship as may be decided by the pageant committee. Best teunga taolunga, mo best contemporary teunga taolunga. Ko tau ngai special awards ia e ono ke tau whiau I Filimisi o e tau ni. Ko tau ni, ko tau kau whakamau o ku seti pe e ua. We will only have 2 set of judges for this year. The first set of judge is for the taolunga. Ai ko tau kau whakamau he tūtune tau rules and regulations ko toko nima. Ai alewa ko toko nima ko ini, pero seti ene kau whakamau te nauhanga o whakamau I ai tau olunga. And the other set of judge will judge the other categories. So that's from interview to talent, sarong, and island creation. Ko tuik mahino pe ia. Ka taki ke tau, if you can turn to page 13, ka taki. 13, clause number 8. Page 13, clause number 8 on other events. All contestants are required to attend all official events planned by the Miss Heilala Pageant Committee and the Heilala Festival Committees. Activities with the proper attire will be disclosed at the appropriate times. Contestants will inquire a 1-point deductions for arriving late to events and a 2-point deductions for no-show. Koia ko le atu, ko spalani tau polo kalama whakao fo ofa pito ki weekendi, mo wike kaha u ke mo kau mai ki ai. Obligations of contestants. Obligations of contestants, the clause number 9. Each contestant shall agree with the Miss Heilala Pageant Committee, agreeing to abide by the rules herein, and if she is declared the winner of the contest, she agrees to abide by the stipulations outlined in section 10, which is the winner's obligations. Mauinga pe, mahino pe koe P, that's our orientation today. Number C, o tokanga mai ke tau wear appropriate attire throughout our Heilala Festival. Beginning from today, our orientations, all contestants should have the following prepared. Pau pe ke tau stash in all of our official events. Stash to be worn at every event, including rehearsals, cultural wear for the pageant parade, and casual attire for our rehearsals. This is also another important announcement. This is specifically for our sponsors and the team. All of the script for our talent, taolunga, sarong, are all due today. And this is not a new information in which I believe the committee actually have already shared this information well in advance with the team, so you can prepare accordingly. Ako ko le atu ka taki ke mo toko ni mai. Ko ngau ko ni he ke lava pe he komiti toko taha ko pau pe ke tau whengai aki, ke tau whetoko ni aki, ka lava ke tau mau ha polo kalama Heilala le lei o ta uni. Ko mo whatongia ka taki, ke tānaki mai e tau ngai u script, e ta mai ki, lea pe e te au ni manoa i he whiawhini, i he whaa ka taki, hei kai ke toi Tali, ha o to glass miniti atu, o e script o toki mono at ke MC, i he aho ko ia. Koe whai koto aini ke le lei koto a pe e tau polo kalama. I he konga pesi tahani ma, koe pe, of course, at this built resolution process, kai tuku pe ai, we all have a copy of the regulations. Mauinga pe ke mo familiarize yourself with the rules and the regulations, but this is all the important clauses that I need to share with you all today. Pau mauinga pe ke tau whemai no aki ai. Kakakole pe ai whainga mali e koe ni for questions. Before I invite my colleague Meleane to go through our schedule, the pageant's schedule for this week and next week. Whamalo atu ke kakatoe e tau talatala noa ki he tau rules and regulations. Ko whainga mali e koe ni ka whehui. Ka pakua taha koe hane whehui whiawhia ke toko ni atu ai. Stai au pito, ke ka whehui ia. Thank you. He hawani te tuku ai pe ki a Meleane. Meleane, kune toka ngai a side events. Oh, Lady Maria. Yes. Iyo. Ikai, hange koe rina tōku o si whahoka tōka paua ki whas teu, tau pehe koe ki teu mai ai whasi, ngā he lau e teu ngā, o ku keke kāwia i he lau koe ki ho minite di mā. Koe tā e whasi ke whai tālunga e tō kamata mei ai lau koe ho miniti. Malo. Saipe, the team, myself, tōka lahi pe tā maiki, we will be around. If you ever happens to have any questions or need further clarification, we are on your reach this week and next week. Ka whainga mālia koe ni, te tuku kia Meleane, ki ne whakakato e tau polo kalama. Whamalo atu.
Okay. Before I would like to start, ko tuipe Maafu maulolo, and I'll make sure that I'll keep it short. Because as Desa have mentioned, ko kuhingoa ko Meleane makapuna, ko au ko toka ngā i homo ngā ta ahini whakaofa-ofa i he wike ko ni o tau amanaki mui ngahi event ko toa pe i he other from the competition, ko au ia ko toka ngā i ai polo kalama ko ni. Paki mo a ia, let's chill, girls. Can I have all of you to stand up? Let's have a little bit of stretch. I know you're all starting to feel the pressure, but okay, let's test how. Clap your hands. Can I have all of you turn to your right, left, hands up, hands down, one clap. Too slow. Okay, you may sit down. Malo au pito hange pe koe mea lawe ke a te sa ko tui au koe polo kalama ia side events o ku maho inga hono briefet ke te motolu ka sponsor pe moe ai mātua tau whanau mo ki tau tolu o ku ke tuange mai homo whanau ki he ngahi polo kalama lelei mo whakaofa-ofa ko os whakatutu o he komiti ki he tamaiki. Ka mata pe ai side events program after this. So after this, o ku osi teu i pe he komiti ko toko taha pe ko osi teu i ai pasi ke ave ko toa holo pe ai tamaiki. Only one person will be given a ID pass. If you don't have a pass, I'm sorry, I won't let you into the bus. So only one person will be accompanied, be the chaperone for each contestant. With that, but with the competition, they'll be given two ID pass. Two ID pass for those, for your team members, girls, for your team members, to assist you with all your for each night. But for our side events program, only one person will be given one ID pass to accompany you throughout our side events program. Straight after this, we'll be heading off for lunch, sponsored by Hot Pizza Restaurant from 12 to 1 p.m. And then after that, we'll go to visit the Talamaho Market, to the Talamaho Market for 1 hour. And then we'll be having a courtesy visit to the Prime Minister's office at 3 p.m. After that, and then we'll head straight to Atelier Indoor, to our venue for rehearsal. And then from that time, 7 p.m., you can pick up the girls I he fitu me indoor. Ai ko osbego ni hawe chaperone e taha ke mau alo whakakakata ngahi polo kalama ko nuku whakatutu ko hoko ai fitu pick up ki nau tol me indoor. Maha ko mea be taha whe mau ke whakatoa ngā he ni. If any of the contestants have a personnel media, please note it is your responsibility to arrange her transportation and also meals for your media personnel. Ko ngahi lunch mo ngahi meals ko no te we ko osi organize ko ni sponsored only for the contestants but mo chaperone e taha ko arohe pasi. Koe aho whalaite, aia ko apongi ia. Sorry girls, you all have the program in your information bag. Eh? Aho whalaite, koe oku whaia visit Koe aho whalaite, we will be visiting the Viola Hospital to the children's ward. And then from there, we'll have our opening number rehearsal. I got opening number rehearsal e whaia in toa, again, ko lea toi pe, e toki piki pe ki nau tolu, me a tele, ke teu kon ki official photo shoot I he 2:30. I got official photo shoot will be here at Tanoa. Eh? Me ia I leva, he osi pe koe a official photo shoot, please can I ask all the sponsors ngahi tauhi, ke o mai pe koe e tamai ki ke hau mo chaperone, mo smart casual change ki he contestant. Koe osi pe koe iak whetongi o mau alo ki he block party. Ai koe block party e whahoko ai parade e tamai ki iai pe whakataha ki he opening koe a block party a pongi. Koe aha toko nā ki leva, o ku whaia, o koe polokalama o kamata ki koe Siua alo, so o whaia I he 7 a.m. I he whitu pongi. Ospe koe ia, hoko atu ki he breakfast sponsored by Friends Cafe. And then from that at 10 o'clock, I go breakfast go ni ata lewa ki he individual rehearsal. Individual rehearsal, each contestant are given 30 minutes for individual rehearsal. You bring everything that you're gonna do on the stage, props, scripts, everything that you'll be with your taolu, walking on the stage or your sarong. We'll be giving you 30 minutes each. So for each contestant. So for example, contestant number 1 will be start at 10. So 10:30 will be contestant number 2. So only everyone will be slotted into for a time schedule. So only contestant number 1 will be at the hall with the team standby, stage production team standby for any lighting assistance or anything that you need for the day. Yeah, that is all for Saturday. For Sunday, we will all be attending the church service at Sayone. Yeah, Ospegoya, I will be joining the Free Wesleyan Church luncheon for lunch. Ihe aho monite. Monday, we will also be joining the program, a celebration of the 200th anniversary in Hihifo, at Hihifo. Again, the bus will be waiting. We all have a meeting point. If you see this, the schedule, with the time schedule, it's already be stated there where to meet, what time, and what time will be the bus leaves. Mind you, as I just wanted to echo what they said with the regulations and everything, and rules, punctuality is very important. For example, for today, we're supposed to leave at 11:45. So the bus leave at 11:45. If you miss 11:45, I'm sorry, we won't be waiting for you, but you have to make yourself to the program. So if our program started at 12, let's say for example, if the program started at 12 and the bus leaves at 11:45 and you miss the bus, you have to be at the venue for the program by 12. If you miss that, 1 point will be deducted from you. And if you're not turning up, as Desa have mentioned, for any of the official events that's been organized, 2 points will be deducted. Is that anything clear? Okay. And after the service in Hihifo, and then we'll also have lunch there. And then from there, we'll come back to our venue for the Miss Heilala Pageant, Adele Indoor for rehearsal. Please bring your change for casual wear for our rehearsal. For Tuesday, that will be our first judging event. pre-pageant interview will be also held here in Tanoa. After that, we'll go straight from here to our venue for the opening number rehearsal, and then you'll be dispersed from Adelaide Indoor, picked up by your sponsor or your parents, or, to go get ready for our second judging events, the Tauolunga. For Wednesday, there is a workshop that will be led by Miss Heilala 2025, so Siana, for women in leadership workshop for you all. And then after that, we'll be visiting our National Museum. There will be a launch for a photo exhibition at the museum, and you are all the guests of honor for that program. After that, we'll have lunch sponsored by Chef Zero, and then you'll be dispersed from Chef Zero for preparation and get ready for the third judging events, the talent. On Thursday, we will be visiting the Heilala Nines rugby team, events at the Te Whaiwa Stadium. And then after that, we'll have another workshop, cyberbullying, women's affairs, and gender equality, also led by Miss Heilala 2025, so Siana, and Mia, the Ministry of Internal Affairs. And then after that, the workshop, and then you'll be picked up or dispersed from the Ministry of Tourism parking area for preparation and get ready for our 4th and 5th judging events. On Friday, our last side events, we will have a cultural tour at ancient Tonga. And then after that, we'll go straight to Adelaide Indoor for grounding and awards rehearsal. After that, you'll be dispersed for getting ready for the grounding night. And then Saturday last, it's our float parade. I think that's it from my side, Desa. Any questions or regards the... Oh yes, sorry, I forgot about that. I think it's already been given to you and states in all of our schedule for each contestant to please bring at least one gift for our visit to the Gigians Ward. Yeah? At least one, Lady Maria. Yeah, there's a group chat to include katoa go tupeng mulave katoa group chat to myself, go stage production manager Tanusia, and also Ashley. We reminders and all the reminders for our program will be sending out to the girls. Yeah? Right, girls? Another thing that I forget, it's not just me with the side event teams. We have a very beautiful team and very friendly. We're not the mean ones. We are very nice and very friendly. Please go easy on us. I myself and Concita Petiola, we will be accompanying the girls in our side events. Concita Petiola, girls, Concita Petiola, please stand up so that the girls will look. Concita Petiola, and also we are very grateful here Tauni oku Miss Heilala alumni. We have Neomai Te Mohenga, and also Tiani Tohi. We will be accompanying you girls. If you have anything that you feel like wanting our assistance and want us to help with, encouraging, and our team will be there with you. Anything else, Lady Maria? Yeah. Teisa katak toko ni mai.
Lady Maria, the regulations pe oku osi oku ha tonu pe ai ka pau e ova para ki roto ko ke kosi ko pau pe ke to e poini. Pau pe ke to e poini ai I ka le pe we at peta mai ki mo hele kosi ke hono fua pe a kosi o ka pau pe e toki ova. Ko ia mita pe tolu. Pafetai.
I think that some last announcement, friendly reminder, or script, props form, anything for background or background or videos, songs are all due today at 4 p.m. And lastly, for those who take a fuai teunga, that you haven't done your measurement, the team are here to measure you after this. Yeah.
Thank you. Malo. Whamalo tu kia teisa, tu pou pia mo Meleane wakapuna he whakatau kei ko ia. For that briefing, I hope that is brief enough for you so that we can smoothly travel on our pageant. So at this moment, as mentioned, we have the Heilala alumni, which will be having a reunion this year. So we are fortunate to have with us here some of them. And I would like to invite Michelle New, former Miss Heilala, to just come and introduce the Heilala alumni reunion for this year. Michelle? Alo, te whawhehena Michelle New, tahe ka u Miss Heilala ai whanua ki mua. Ko hiko e polo kalama ai ka u former Miss Heilala whahoko moia I he lorotonga I he mahina koe ni o tau hoko atu ki ai ka te whawhehene a Michelle New me he komiti ke ne whawhatau kei ki he nau polo kalama u whahoko. Malo. Pas pas.
Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Protocols adhered. I'm very pleased and honored. I am blessed to be here. And I have my team with me, our Treasurer Neomai, Secretary Tiani. We were in the chairs that you're sitting in before. I think that was not even last year. It could have been 30 to 20 years ago. Congratulations on making the decision to come forward and be brave. You will recall Sian is a great brave leader. She reminds us always of the scriptures, and there's one that she encouraged me with this morning, just from going off your speech, Siana, Ms. Tonga, which I will say, have I not commanded thee, be bold and courageous. And then you gave another scripture, which I'm very grateful for. So I came with one myself this morning, which is, whatever you do, work at it. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. Since you know that you will receive an inheritance from the Lord as a reward, it is the Lord Christ you are serving. And this is a Bible verse that we have worked upon, my team and I. The alumni came to be about a year ago, and it came through a sequence of events as we wanted to strive for pageantry justice, pageantry transparency. We wanted to create or help create and encourage an environment where it would be nurturing and supportive, that your voices would be heard, that you would be well looked after while you are in the pageantry and after the pageantry. I would like to welcome each and every one of you when you complete the Heilala to come and be a member of our alumni. The pageantry runs for at least 2 weeks. but you will be a member automatically once you finish. And I would love for you to be for each and every one of you to be a member. Miss Tongiasi will be our first member here into the alumni, and I'm very excited about that. So is our group. We have an executive council of at least 8 members, and we've been working hard. We have a reunion that runs straight after the end of the Heilala week. With that, I would like to give a special mention to Deisa Fifita, who has been working very hard with her team every single year, and I give you a lot of respect and a lot of honor, Deisa. I met you in Honiara, Solomon Islands, and it was the CEO of tourism who connected me to you. And from that time until now, I have a lot of respect and honor for you and the work that you and your team do. Malo aupito. And I pray God will continue to nurture our relationship, and we will do a wonderful, we will complete a lot of projects together. I think my last item that I would like to bring to your attention is that we have some amazing projects that will excite you. We have a Saving Babies project. We also have one with the Alonga Disability Center, and then another one with the Women's Ward at the Viola Hospital. And in our reunion, we are doing some of that work as well. Therefore, it is a very, very exciting time for alumni, and I pray that you will want to be a part of us once you finish your 2 weeks with the alumni. We're a wonderful team. We're very kind, we're very loving, and we're mothers. We're already grandmothers, some of us. So we would love to have each and every one of you on board. God bless each and every one of you, and your moms, aunties, cousins, all of the team members that have come here from abroad and locally to support you and help you during these 2 weeks. Thank you very much. God bless you. Malo aupito.
Thank you, Michelle Niu, for that really inspiring to our young ladies. So now, before we conclude our program, would I just like to remind all contestants of course, our programs, as mentioned by Deisa and Meleane. I'm sure you all have your schedule to just continue on with our programs as it is. Also, on that note, well, we thank you all for making your time to be here with us. Thank you to our sponsors, of course, our elite supreme sponsors, the government of Tonga and Fiji Airways, for supporting the Heilala, and all of you, good people, for supporting our Heilala festival every year up until now. We thank you very much. So now we started, of course, with a prayer, and then we'll end every program with a prayer. And I would like to ask Ms. L.C. Fuka, that's from our Ministry of Tourism Office in Vava'u, to please say our closing prayer for today. After this, we'll have a group photo. So after the prayer. Koe tawa mai ki he Ngalu tu koe tau polokalama o e houani, ka koe tau polokalama fia, koe fuafua whawhailoa ki e tau kauwhine mui, ki he whiau he Miss Heilala o e wanoa ua no. Whamalo ia befo ki e tau supreme sponsor, ai Puleanga Tonga, ka befo ki he Fiji Airways. Befo ki e tau elite sponsors, MBF Bank, koe Tanoa, International Hotel, Pange BSB, Chinese Embassy, New Zealand High Commission, mo Whihoko Arts and Crafts. Taimini, na tau kamata ake tau lotu, taku pampe ke whaose pe tau ngai polokalama ha lotu pe, ke tau tutuku ai pe, pea mo e laumari e o e tau whiauhi i he whiauhi Heilala. Whawhe henia LC fuka, me office takmamata me i Vava'u, e lava mai ke whakakanto e tau lotu tuku e pongpong ini malo.
Malo, ki mua pepa tau whakaosi, ko ki whāton tōna pēk whakaiku, ko e whaleola, e risi whaleola, te Riann i te ngia. Malo, ke tau whaos. O tua maf, ko mau tamai whahewa ni ai whanā. O mau whawhetai, ko mau ikuna. Ai kamata anga o i Polo Kalama, Heilala Festivalo i Akoeni. O mau kore peho lau maari e, ke tau whiao pe tu ma. I he toenga o i Polo Kalama, Heilala, i he wike koeni, ka maa e wike kahaunga. Pea koe keresa e ko Sisu Krais, me o whai atua, me whio he lau maari e maa nioni, ke iate ki tau tolu ko tō pe ia, whai pia tangata. Amen.
AI. So that's it. Thank you everyone coming. We'll see you in the next events as we continue. Mahalo Obito. Mahalo. So e hokat me vai ki he whaita ai koe good photo. Oh, sorry. Because of time, vavepe. They need the media. They need to just one. Yeah. So how are we going to do it?
Photos, please. Can I just ask the photographer with just a short one? We really need to go now.
One, two, three, go.